Hi friends, this is the 20th video in my series Name This Bird. In my last video I showed you a yellow bird. Did you recognize it? That bird is called Common Iora. It is a small passerine bird found across the tropical Indian subcontinent and Southwest Asia. It is very common in Bangladesh. Today I have another bird for you. It's a type of woodpecker. See if you can recognize it. If you know its name, write its name in the comment box. Otherwise I'll tell you its name in my next video. Now that you have seen the woodpecker, do you know its name? If you know its name, write it in the comment box. Otherwise, wait for my next video. Thank you. My video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thank you.